Hey, good morning, traders. It's day one of the Trade of 8 challenge. We haven't been open very long. I'm looking at the Dow, the YM, and if we crash down into 42,000, I think I'm going to take it long just for a little snapback. And I may even put my order underneath 42,000 by a few points just because I don't think that would hold. But I could see this going down to 41.85, something like that. Not sure if I like these Trade of 8 charts. And I'm still getting used to that. There we go. I don't know. It looks like we're bouncing. Boy, where do we get to the low here? 42,008. Yeah. So now we're all the way up to 42,000. Yeah, that would have been a nice scalp. That would have been a really nice scalp, but I didn't messing around here with charts. We're up trading up 42,075 here, so well, we missed that one. So it's the first day, so and I really think the volatility is going to be low because we got the presidential election tomorrow, and I think we're going to go sideways, pretty much today and tomorrow until the market gets that under its belt. And then if that wasn't enough this week, we've got the FOMC announcement on Thursday, but pretty much the consensus is another quarter point cut. So I mean that's a market certainty. And this election is market uncertainty, and so I think until we get some certainty there, we're going to be in kind of a boring sideways market. Well, the YM went up 100 points. Hey, any Trade of 8 users out there? I was watching videos on the platform, and I was thinking that if I had the charts and the dome all the same color, that would link them. And when I went from, say, when I clicked on the ES, my charts would change over to the ES as well, but I've got to manually do all that. So if anyone knows how to link these charts to the dome, leave it in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate the help. Don't really see much to do right now, so no sense rambling on. Okay. We're about an hour and 15 minutes into the day here. I haven't done anything in this yet. I still think I missed it this morning early. We're starting to print a new 15-minute candle here. We're dropping the NASDAQ and the S&P are rolling over as well, but I am almost tempted to take it down in the 25 area and just see if we could get a little bit of a pop, which it looks like it's doing right now. Yeah, I don't like it now. If I was going to do it, I've missed it again. So where did it get down to? Got down to 49. Okay, well, actually the NASDAQ and the S&P are rallying a little bit here. Okay, well, we'll be back. Okay, we're coming up to print another 15-minute candle here. I'm still flat for the day. I don't know. We're kind of getting into that mid-morning. It's 11 o'clock market time. I may shut her down and just not take any trades today. At least maybe wait till the afternoon now. I haven't seen. I've seen one thing I liked this morning. And that was pretty early. A little bit hesitant to go in. First thing counter trend. But yeah, I think maybe I'll do that. I may just close it down now and maybe come on this afternoon. So we'll see what happens. Okay, we're back. We're about an hour, 5 minutes from the close, and I have not traded the account today. I've got the YM up again, and you could almost make a case for drawing a trend line here with that blue line, which is declining, the declining 20 period moving average. I'm almost thinking of taking it short around 42,000. I missed this big move here this morning. I was out, and when I got back, I saw that we had retraced about up to here, and I thought, well, I don't know if I would have caught the move down, but I would have liked to have done the counter trend trade around the 41,800 mark, but I wasn't here. I missed it. So we'll see. I think I've actually already missed this too, as I'm yakking here. We've come down from 42,003 down into the low 80s again. So I gotta tell you, it's kind of hard getting my futures mentality again. I'm a little gun shy to pull the trigger. So let's pause this. We got a new 15-minute candle going to form in 6 minutes. Okay, we're back. It's about 8 minutes after 3. I haven't done anything. Market's pretty quiet. The urge to take something today, just to take something, is really coming in, and it's just psychology. I just feel like I should be doing something. Even though this is a sim account, I'm really trying to focus on this being real money. And trying to take a trade when there's nothing there is something I used to be very good at doing, and anymore I'm getting much better at sitting on hands. So this might be just a pretty boring video today, but at this point we just might take day one and just call it a day. And we've got a lot of experience looking at charts. I tweaked this a little bit here. Although I tell you what I'm thinking about doing going forward is I'm thinking about just using the dome for Tradovate and just using my Thinkorswim charts, because I like my Thinkorswim charts way better than these. But anyway, I will pause this, and if I do pull the trigger, I will try to get it captured on video. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a sell-off here. It's almost 3:15. The 15-minute candle's got another 30 seconds here. I'm so tempted maybe to try to pick up a contract around the 60 area, but I really think I'm going to wait for this candle to print. This candle here got down to 91.40. Okay, we've printed. Okay, I put an order out there at 51.
Order filled.
Okay, we're filled. I think the stop would be the low of this candle here at 40. Now, I'm not going to try to take very much here. I might try to take 12 points. I'm going to go ahead and stick that closing order out there, and we'll see what happens here. Actually, it would be pretty good practice to place a stop as well, because it has been a while since I've traded on Tradovate. We got close there to my profit target. I think we printed 61. Come on. Let's see. Let's put in a... Okay, I think that's the stop. So I'll have to cancel that either way, on whichever one hits first, because I don't have an OCO set up. What's the high of this candle? The highest high of this candle is...
Order filled.
Okay, now I'm going to click this button here, which is going to cancel. So that cancels my stop. So, okay. So it took all day, but I got a trade off, and we took 12 points out of the YM. I think that's going to be it for today. It's getting to the point where I don't want to trade anymore today. It's about 45 minutes to the close. So let's take a look down at the bottom here. Try to bring this forward here. So you can see here we bought at 51, we sold at 63, and the old account is up $55. So not the greatest first day, but not a total bust either. I really did want to get a trade under my belt, so I'm happy about that. I think this is going to kind of be a diary going forward. We're just going to try to take trades when they set themselves up and try not to just force anything when there's just slop going on, slop and chop. So yeah, a $55 gross profit today sounds pretty good. So day one of the Take Profit Challenge is in the books. Good trading, everybody, and thanks for watching.